Hi, my name is John Thompson, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how I made $125 making 60-second binary trades on the Google stock, using a very simple system that anyone can learn. Yes, you heard that right, 60-second trades, and you can do the same. Here we have my favorite binary options platform, winoptions.com. As you can see, it's got plenty of features, but it's clearly designed to make finding what you want as fast as possible. There are other sites to trade binary options, but winoptions.com provides the strongest platform and is the easiest to use for beginners. This is the site where I trade the most and grow my earnings day after day. As you can see, my balance currently stands at $340. We are going to select the 60-second tab, which allows us to work with 60-second trades. Clicking the drop-down menu here shows us which assets can be traded with this expiry duration. We want to trade the Google stock, and I'm going to select Google. Over here to the right, you can see the payout for this stock, and it's currently at 70%. That means you could be making 70% on your investment every 60 seconds. This return is fixed and guaranteed, and that is why I like trading binary options so much. But first, let's check what the Google stock is doing today by viewing the Trader's Choice Bar. The Trader's Choice Bar is a social trading tool that shows you what direction the majority of traders are choosing at the present moment. Once we choose the Google stock from the drop-down menu, we will see the Trader's Choice Bar for that stock. We can see that 57% of the traders believe that the Google stock would go up, and that 43% of the traders think it will go down. Now we would go back to the 60-second option tab and place a $50 trade using the info from Google's Trader's Choice Bar. Once the trade is open, you'll see all the information displayed below the chart. The name of the asset, the type of the position, whether it's up or down, the start and end times, the rate of the stock when we open the trade, the current rate, the payout rate, which is the amount of money we will get assuming the trade is successful. On the right, we can see the time remaining for the trade to expire. Now, while we wait for this trade to expire, let me explain something very important. I could have started my day by analyzing graph or watching the financial news on Reuters, and only then make a decision on whether Google would rise or fall. Instead, I decided to follow what the majority of other traders believe will happen, since they already made all this hard work. Trading along with the majority saves me a lot of time, and it allows me to manage my portfolio much better. As you can see, the trade is about to expire, and it seems it would be expiring in the money. Yep, we won this trade. As you can see, it's already reflected in my account balance. You might have noticed that this system only shows 2 steps. But what do I do when the position is losing? Well, that's step number 3. I'm going through step 1, checking the Trader's Choice Bar, and then going back to step 2, which is placing the position accordingly. I'm trying to lose this trade, okay? So just bear with me. I think I'm going to lose this trade. We'll have to wait until it expires. It'll only take about 40 seconds from now. If this trade will be successful, I'll simply go back to step 1 and make another $50 trade. I don't like losing, but I don't get all worked out when I do because, as you'll soon find out, losing is a part of my strategy. It will take 20 seconds more for this position to expire. Okay, I think this position will expire out of the money. As you can see, it's highlighted in red. That means that if it were to expire now, it would have expiring out of the money. And we lost this trade. Now that we lost this trade, we want to create another trade and invest a large amount, in enough large amount to compensate that for losing the last position. We did just the same as the last trade. We followed the trader's choice bar and took the position accordingly. It's important to stay focused on your balance rather than the actual trade count. As you can see, the position is highlighted in green, and it means that if it were to expire at this moment, it would have been expiring profitably in the money. Other traders thought it would be a good direction, and we just have to wait to see if they were correct. It seems like this position is going to expire in the money. And it's expiring right now. Great. The position was won. As you can see, the amount we just won was added to the account balance. It's right now at $465. As you remember, we started with $340 just 4 or 5 minutes ago. So we've been trading for about 5 minutes now, and we managed to raise our balance by $125. I think that's pretty good for a 5-minute session. I know this video moves quite quickly, and that you may not have been able to follow all the steps just yet, but that's okay. My main target was to present you with a potential in trading binary option, and to show you that you can really make money trading from home, the same as I do. So don't worry. Below this video you will find the complete step-by-step instructions to implement my strategy and get the profits you deserve.